Karen, Alderman Patrick Daley Thompson, who carries Chicago's most famous mayoral name at the center of his own political brand, tonight is planning what can only be described as a helter-skelter defense in federal court. When the 11th Ward City Councilman goes on trial next Monday, he will try to convince a jury that personal disorganization and carelessness caused financial misconduct that now jeopardizes his livelihood and his liberty. Alderman Daley Thompson is an attorney and an alderman, grandson of the late Mayor Richard J. Daley and nephew of former Mayor Richard M. Daley. But that pedigree won't be on trial a week from today when the Bridgeport alderman is here at the Dirksen Federal Building, facing 7 charges that he lied to U.S. bank regulators and filed false tax returns. Newly filed court documents by Thompson's attorneys describe him as haphazard and having provided years of paperwork to his accountant in a large disorganized folder that included many superfluous documents.
He's so scatterbrained. His documentation is all over the place. He didn't intentionally do this.
Former Chicago federal prosecutor Jeff Kramer tonight summing up the apparent defense gambit that is in the works. Is there a term in the legal profession for a defendant who basically uses a defense that he was a scatterbrain?
Yeah, there's nothing in Latin that leads to that, but there's a logic to it here. His argument is, I didn't purposely do this. There's an intent element in the tax code.
During the decades, there has been a parade of Chicago aldermen into federal court here accused of a smorgasbord of crimes. Most cut deals, many are convicted, some go to jail. 51-year-old Daley Thompson is going to trial, likely because his political career depends on an acquittal.
The first issue for this defendant is to make sure he doesn't go to prison. After that, he can worry about a re-election campaign.